How to change your zodiac sign on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am a Gemini. So I will go off here and show it again how you can go to this page. So I will go back. So let's go to Snapchat. Then from here, to get to that page, you have to click on your profile, which is in the left top corner. And then from here, you want to click on the settings, which is in the right top corner. So from here, you want to click on your birthday and then click on it. And then from here, you want to change it. You don't have to change the year, you have to change the month and the day. So I will leave it just like this and then hit continue. So now click OK. Now let's go back, and now I am a Capricorn. So yeah guys, this is how you can change your zodiac sign on Snapchat. It's pretty easy, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and don't forget to ask some questions if you have some. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.